Alrighty, how's it going everyone? We are back. This is week 24 and the wrap up of week 25, which will be the final week of Astro.Clan's MinerWars. Since it's been 2 weeks now with no blocks, and we went from 4,500 terahash to 336 terahash within a week. So I don't think we're going to be able to get the terahash back up and the block rewards back up. And because of that, this will be the last week for Astro.Clan, and I will be switching to solo mining. I will still be giving out the weekly updates on how much I've made that week, and so on and so forth. But we're still going to do our last review, and we have a total Bitcoin rewards of 0.0207742.9, and that converted to USD is $1,771.50. And like I said, we haven't gotten a payout in about 2 weeks, so our last payout was on the 8th, so we do not have a current new weekly Bitcoin payout to go over. And now to calculate for our total ROI so far. For our investment, we put in $3,958.54 USD. That's converted from Canadian, which is $5,470.32. 1% of my investment is $39.54. Our total rewards is $2,580.73 USD. That is with our BTC and GMT combined together. To calculate our ROI, we're going to do our rewards divided by 1% of our investment. So we're doing 2,580.73 divided by 39.5854 equals 65.19%. So the ROI so far is 65.19%, and that is after 13 and a half months. That's an average of 4.8% each month. Not bad. We started MinerWars on March 4th, had some nice big ups on the rewards, and then the halving happened, completely dropped all the way down. And then we joined some clans where we were getting some good rewards, and then we started our own clan, and now we are at the end, unfortunately. But not the end of GoMining in total. We are still going to move on to solo mining. We're probably going to be adding some more terahash, and we're going to see if we can build up to 5,000. I appreciate everyone that joined and helped. Feel free to still join the Discord. It's still going to be a finance community, but I'm mainly going to be focusing on trading and airdrops. And of course, we will still have the weekly and or bi-weekly GoMining updates to see how much Bitcoin I mined this week or in those 2 weeks. So we'll see you guys soon, and have a good one.